This workflow is going to allow you to remove a product from the online store automatically based on looking at the inventory levels in a specific location. So if you have an online store and you've got let's say a warehouse where you're keeping the stock for that store, and then you've got a retail store where you're doing a point of sale, what this allows you to do is if a product is out of stock in your main warehouse, you want it to not show up on the online store because it's only available point of sale in your retail store. This is how you can do that. The way that it works is it will trigger on product updated. It'll grab all the publications. So sales channels, these are called publications in the API. So it's going to grab those and then it's going to grab the online store. So when you're setting this one up, you just basically want to put in the name of that. I think it's always online store, but if you wanted to use this for another channel, you could just plug that name in there. So that's going to pick up that channel and then go in here, retrieve location, and just pick your location from the dropdown, which is the one you want to look at. And then this is going to just grab all the inventory for all the variants under this product at that particular location. And it's going to add them up. If that inventory is less than or equal to 0, it is going to go ahead and the product from that publication. So let's try it out. With no further ado, let's try it out. All right, so let's run a test. You can see here that the inventory there is 0, and we went ahead and unpublished the product, and it refreshed automatically. That was cool. So that's how that works. As always, you can find this on the automation demos section of the blog. And feel free to download the workflow there. If you need any help setting that up, just let us know.